Hi guys! Na ako diri sa SM Ecoland. Mag-lunch mi diri sa Green Bounty Chicken.
The Green Bounty Kitchen di ay dili Green Bounty Chicken. Sorry guys.
Mao ni ilahang menu. This is pasta. Oh, no. This is basil pasta with, how do you call it? Basil pesto pasta with grilled chicken. He ordered spaghetti bolognese with meatball.
I'm scared, Mike.
Just be careful. This restaurant is one of our favorite restaurants at SM. Kay lami ilang pagkaon, dili yun ka magmahay. If you drop by at SM Ecoland in Davao City, try to come here at Green Bounty. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.